Hello, friends. Welcome back to Gadgets Universe. In today's video, we have the top 5 amazing gadgets for you. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. SwitchBot. Imagine having the power to control any appliance or switch in your home with just a tap of your phone. Sounds amazing, right? Well, get ready to meet the universal smart Bluetooth button pusher from SwitchBot. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can a tiny device make such a big difference? Well, my friends, this little gadget is packed with features that will revolutionize the way you interact with your smart home. This universal smart Bluetooth button pusher is compatible with practically any rocker, switch, or button on any appliance. But here's the best part. Installation is an absolute breeze. You can have this device up and running in just 5 seconds. Simply use the included 3M sticker to attach it right next to your rocker, switch, or button. No need to swap out your existing switches or use any fancy tools. Once installed, you'll be amazed at the convenience this device brings. Through the intuitive SwitchBot app, you can effortlessly control your appliances within Bluetooth range. Electric Mini Chopper. The mini garlic chopper is here to make your life in the kitchen a breeze. With its one-touch power operation, chopping garlic has never been easier. Picture this, just a single press of a button and you'll have finely chopped ingredients in seconds. This mini chopper is designed with portability in mind. It's USB rechargeable, which means you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're camping, traveling, or having a picnic, this little kitchen companion has got your back. This chopper is equipped with a powerful 60-watt motor, giving it the ability to tackle not only garlic but also ginger, chili, onions, and so much more. It's like having your own personal sous chef right at your fingertips. Mini Chopper is highly waterproof, making it a breeze to clean. No more worrying about stubborn stains or residue. Simply rinse it with water, detach the bowl and blades, give them a quick wash, and you're ready for your next chopping adventure. Food Cutter Scissors. It's a kitchen gadget that will revolutionize the way you prep your meals. Introducing the kitchen gadgets of your dreams, a one-of-a-kind marvel designed to simplify your cooking adventures. Say hello to the multifunctional vegetable scissors with cutting board scissors. This ingenious tool combines the power of sharp scissors with the convenience of a built-in cutting board. Prepare to be amazed. Safety is a top priority in any kitchen. That's why these food scissors are equipped with a smart safety latch at the tail end. With a simple flick, you can securely close the scissors, ensuring they won't harm you while they're not in use. Grimebuster Powered Scrubber. It's a game changer when it comes to cleaning those stubborn messes in your kitchen. Say hello to the ultimate kitchen cleaning companion, the Grimebuster Powered Scrubber. Now, what sets this amazing tool apart from the rest? Well, let me tell you. The scrubber is designed to tackle multiple surfaces with ease. Whether it's your countertops, stovetops, microwaves, or fixtures, this powerhouse can handle them all. One of the most impressive features is its rotating motion. It effortlessly removes stuck-on dirt and grime without slowing down. You can safely scrub and clean your dishes, pots, and pans right in the sink. It's built to last, ensuring long-lasting durability even in wet conditions. So, if you're tired of spending endless hours scrubbing away in the kitchen, it's time to level up your cleaning game with the Grimebuster Powered Scrubber. Jar Opener. Now, let me tell you why this little gadget has become an absolute game changer for us. First off, check out its sleek V-style design. It's not only ergonomic, but also perfectly mimics the structure of our hands, making opening cans a breeze. No more struggling or wasting time. This bad boy isn't just a can opener. It's a 4-in-1 multi-tool. It can effortlessly open jar lids, bean cans, soda caps, and even those pesky pickle bottles. Say goodbye to sore hands and frustrating twists. One of the things I love most about this opener is how comfortable and labor-saving it is. It's designed to reduce stress on your wrists and protect your hands with its non-slip grip. Can you imagine how convenient it is to have this in your backpack? No more struggling with cans and bottles during picnics or hikes. So, if you're fed up with pulling to open jars and bottles and fending off obstinate lids, I highly recommend giving this 4-in-1 jar opener and bottle opener a try. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Take care and see you soon.